Hello friends, in this video we will talk about karyotyping. So karyotyping briefly, it is a technique where we can understand the chromosomal constitution of an individual. This is called karyotyping. Now according to the Denver system of classification, we can have the chromosomes divided into the size, the position of the centromere, then the length ratio between the arms, and along with the presence of satellite bodies. Right. And now we can name these groups in capital letters, that is A to G. This, as we said, is called as karyotype. So this is a typical karyotype of a normal male. We can see the figure. So there are basically, we have 7 groups are there, A to G. Alright. So here, right, so I'll tell you a way to remember these groups. So here 1 to 3, that is 1, 2 and 3 along with 1, 2 and 3 along with 19 and 20 are metacentric. I repeat, 1 to 3, then 19 and 20 are metacentric. 1 to 3 is longer. 19 and 20 is shorter. Please remember that difference. Okay. Now, coming to next, we have the acrocentric. 13 to 15, 21 and 22. Yes. 13 to 15, 21 and 22 with the Y chromosome. These are acrocentric, but 13 to 15 is medium size with satellite body. This is on the short arm free end. Here there is no question of free end. In this 21 and 22 with Y chromosome. Here it will be very short. See here, it will be very short. So this here. This 13 to 15 and 21 to 22. Already we said 1 to 3 and then 19 and 20. Right. So 1 to 3 and 19 to 20 are what? Metacentric. And 13 to 15 along with 21 and 22 with Y are acrocentric. The rest all are submetacentric. That is 6 to 12 with X chromosome along with the 4 and 5 will be submetacentric. Now, coming to the clinical significance, the karyotyping is very important for the structural and numerical variation in the chromosome. In short, karyotyping is nothing but it is to detect any kind of abnormality in the chromosome banding pattern that we call it as the G pattern. So there is the chromosomal defects like the deletion, translocation. To check these kind of defects, we have the karyotyping technique. So that brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.